how to upload audio for Suno AI song. You want to open up Suno AI, then click on Create from the left-hand bar. From here, you will be on the Simple or the Advanced tab, and what you have to do is to go to Advanced and click on Audio. Right here, you need to select Upload. You also have the option of recording your own audio or browsing already uploaded audios, but we're going to click on Upload. Then you just want to find your audio, which you want uploaded, and this is going to add it. I'm just going to repeat it just like that, and you will need to agree to the terms. Okay, and now it's gonna begin uploading, and you can describe the contents of your uploaded audio right here and click on Continue. Once this completes, you will have successfully used your audio for your Suno AI song. Hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.